Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a new TikTok account. Stick around until the end to learn all the steps and tips to get started on TikTok and join the fun. Let's get started. First, open your TikTok app on your mobile device and click on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen to open your current TikTok account. In your profile, click on the three lines in the top right corner and click on Settings and Privacy from the menu that appear. Now in the Settings menu, scroll down and find Switch Account. Once you find it, click on it, and here you will see the option that says Add Account. Click on it to start setting up your new TikTok account. And then you will be prompted to sign up. You can use your email, phone number, or social media accounts like Facebook or Google. And once you have chosen your sign up method, TikTok will ask you for some basic information such as your birthday, username. So fill in all the required details. You can choose a unique username for a new TikTok account and make sure it is not already taken, as TikTok will notify you if it is. And after completing this whole process, you're all set to go. And once you have successfully set up your new TikTok account, managing both accounts is super easy. Here's how you can switch between them. So go back to your profile page by clicking on the profile icon. Now click on the three lines in the top right corner. Again, to open your settings, click on Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down until you find Switch Account. From here, you will see both your original account and newly created one listed. Simply tap on the account you want to use and TikTok will switch you over instantly. That's all for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.